Nenu Sailaja comes across as a quirky love story. So, what about the script excited you?
The good part was that Nenu Shailaja, first of all, it started when I was working for Rajini Murugan. So it was a little doubtful when I started off. Like, as in, when I heard about the project, I was a little doubtful if I could do that because I was busy finishing off the schedule. Rajini Murugan, it already got extended because I fell ill, and so I had to finish it off. But luckily, I had a 10 days gap in between, and those were the 10 days which they wanted as well. So then I had to listen to the story. So I just went and Kishore started narrating, and I was like glued on to the way he was narrating. It was amazing the way he narrates because he is a script writer and lovely dialogues, and very beautiful script. And the good part about it is that it has a lot of mixed emotions. The relation between a father and a daughter, his love, romance, and other emotions. So all put together, it is a nice family drama.
Right.
So I thought once I finished listening to the story, I was like, be it whatever, I am doing this project. So I was ready to do it on any case. So that's how it started off. It's definitely because of Kishore's narration, one reason, because be the same story, if it was narrated bad, it wouldn't have been that impressive. So his narration was really good. So at that time I had this thing, okay, now he's a good scriptwriter. I used to wonder how he used to direct. But after going to the sets, he's like damn fast. His speed is very good, and his clarity and speed, both things amazed me. Because now for me, he tells me a shot, I act it out. So maybe I feel that if I go 2 more takes, it will become better. But sometimes he comes and tells that, okay, this is okay, let's go for the next shot. So I tell him that, what, if you could wait, if we take 2 more takes, maybe it becomes better. So he'll be like, you know what, I want this, so this is fine.
Right.
So it's about his clarity. He knows what he wants, and if he gets that, he's happy. And if he doesn't get that, he tells that on face as well. And about the speed. So once he gets what he wants, it's done. He wraps up. He goes to the next thing. So when a director has both speed and clarity, it was going on schedule. Everything was packed up properly wrapped up, and had a good time shoot.
Kishore is also someone who has a great comic sense,
Yeah, definitely.
So how was it on the sets while?
It was fun. I don't even remember sitting jobless in the caravan. Yeah, you go morning, I dress up, I go to the shot, come back, have lunch, and I go. I hardly have some gap to take a nap. So it used to be that busy, and it's not only about being busy. Everyone used to be sitting in front of the monitor, chit-chatting and all that, so it used to be fun. I never had to come back to caravan, sit alone, or get bored. It was we always were together, so it was fun. Amazed, he keeps running around. The way he walks itself is damn fast, and I'm a little lazy actually. So then I thought, okay, Ram is so energetic, I have to keep up with him. So that is one thing I learned. It was not difficult, but that's something I learned from him.